Γεια σας, είμαι η Κωνσταντίνα με το LearnGreekViaTalking και σήμερα θα σας πω τι σημαίνει στην ελληνική αργό με το καλημέρα σας. Με το καλημέρα σας, word for word, it means with the good morning to you. But we use it whenever we want to say that something happened first thing and it was a shock to us or it surprised us. However, this video is dedicated to one of my beloved students, Nick. Nick, this is for you. So, let's have a look at some examples. Μου έκανε πρόταση με το καλημέρα σας. Πρέπει να είναι τρελός. He proposed to me first thing. He must be crazy. And το αφεντικό μου έδωσε 100 δουλειές να κάνω με το καλημέρα σας. My boss gave me 100 jobs to do first thing. So, if you want to practice more with this expression, feel free to do so in the comments below and I will happily assist. Otherwise, if you're interested in one-to-one classes, let me know because my teaching method can really boost your speaking skill even if you are on level 0. And it is as fun and effective as these videos. I'll see you on the next one then.